Here I am in the hotel room. So you close that. Here's where I am. I am at that location, and I was at the other location last time. This is at the third floor. So I don't get lounge access, but that because of my rooms, it's just upgrade only. But I don't need room access. So look, I got a gown. Wow, how cool! I've got a safe. That's useful. I've got coat hangers. There's a lot of coat hangers. I only thought in iron. Storage. Nice, decent size safe. Don't like using that. Look, sort of riding on point. That's laundry and cleaning sets, of course. Up there, storage space. And in here, I've got the mini fridge. And I'll put a sandwich in there because I put my lunch in there. I don't know what you're going to have. And this is a nice. You get free water, tea, and coffee. Perfect. And a kettle. Nice kettle. Look at that. Nice. And a picture of, I think it's either St Paul's. No, I think it's either St Paul's or it might be West Australia. I think it's West Australia. It's not a little thing that tells you. That's fine. Like that. Take a nice suitcase. I thought I should have been told before I get unpacked. So here on this side you've got a nice 10 don't drink section. I want to look at more that I want on it. I might actually look at that one day. And this is like the edge. Look at that. Let's zoom back out. Look at that dead. Add the view. Whoa. On the third floor, it's really flush. I'll show you. That's where the bathroom is. That's the air conditioning. So it's a nice comfy. It's already set on 19. That's good. That's the bathroom. It's tiny but nice. Look at that. Get a little shading kit. Oh, we get towels. Wow. They got flannels. So that's cool. I like that. That's cool. Look. Nice. Real nice though. And some nice Tokyo milk. Oh look, grinding on point with the coasters. Drinking water, of course. Shading. And I'm not quite sure. This is. What's this? I don't know. Can you put it? I don't want to break it, so. I actually don't know what that is. So if you can tell me what that is, feel free to. Hi. Towels. And there's no walking shower like the glass up there. It's easy to get in. I just take my shoes off. I'll do a little demonstration. Take my shoes off. So I'm going to use the bath in there. I'm not in there. But more towels. So I go like that. It's got a grab rail for me to get in and out easily like this. Gently, gently, gently. I don't want to fall. Yeah, that's good. It's got a shower. Head that looks nice and decent and nicely polished. You can see me in it. More Tokyo milk things. I'll just hold on to that. Get myself up gently. No rush. Oh, this comes in and out. That's cool. And we have a toilet. Look at that. Grinding on point there. I know it's a sticker, but still. Let's see what the loo looks like. That looks nice. Wash the hands, I guess I can off of it. I've got a little bit as well. I got to put my shoes over here. And I think that's suitcase storage there. And let's go over here. Nice big TV, let's check if it works. Oh, that air conditioning is nice. The air conditioning is nice. Nice big bed, you can see. Done my Ransom's run tour, which is the uploaded after I've done my travel here video. Let's see. Turn it on. Let's see what I think it'll turn on. I hope so. Well, might not have turned it on. I'm sure it'll work it. That's just my stuff I've got. Like, take a release and thank you to my friend Stuart Adler for giving me chocolate origin buttons. That's good. Did I show the fridge? I don't know if I showed. Yeah, I think I did. got my lunch in there. But I'll just show the fridge again anyway, just in case. Make sure it's closed. Wow. There are lots of unpacking on it. That's there about it. I'll check the trigger. You can like pause that. Oh, they're doing some nature goods work. On today. Oh, sorry. That's that cleaning they're doing. That's nice. Not just dirty. This is a nice little seat. Sit back and watch the planes. That's perfect. I can see the tower. Oh wow, you just sit here. I love it. And yes. Wow. Oh, we got a magazine. Digital handle. Okay. And this is a nice little reading light. You can turn these off while it's daylight. Now, how do you turn this one off? Like that. Do the same with this side too. And that light. There's a light there. As it's daytime, we don't need the light on. Let's see, to do the same to this one. It's got the old light there. There you go, they've got plug sockets. And USB charging as well, and USB. Oh wow, just both of them. And I'm going to see if the CD works a bit. Well, I was going to check this for tonight. That's, you want to order room service. Room service menu. Do you want to order all that? I don't need you though, so. I go downstairs, I've got legs. Well, of course, you can have room service if you want, but. I'm just going to see if this works. We want to see if the CD works, don't we? Let's hope it does work now. Does it work? Let's see. Maybe I'll press source. Will you work, Teddy? I don't know. Oh, that's why the Teddy wouldn't work it. I just want you off on the behind. So I've just done that, so I'll turn on now, probably. Let's see. Would it work? Yeah, it does work. Yeah, the switch wasn't on. It was turned off the hind. That's good then. It does work. As you can see. So you can watch the yeah, come on in it. Let's see if Dixie went on. What shall we watch? That's nice. It's got channels, it's got, let's see. Got Dixie 1, 2, 3, actually 4 the dead. There's only going to be me in the bed tonight. Inside the Hilton. It's not a Hilton. Well, there you go. London news at 1 p.m. Oh yeah, I need to. Some of these channels I probably can't get there. Let's go back on another one, then turn it off, ready for later. So there you go. And we must do the all-important dead test. So I'll turn that off. Let's turn that on again. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's good. It's turned off. Yeah, it's turned off now. Okay, test. Let's turn the teddy off again. Off again. Check my shoes off first. Okay, let's get ready for the dead test. Whee! Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. That's actually nice and soft. Nice and... Oh, I go enjoy sleeping in this tonight. And for the rest of the week, of course. Yeah, I'm with you. This is why I love to live here. I need to come here on holiday. It's amazing. Wow. So there you go. There's the room tour, which I think I should complete it with a plane landing. Okay, there's a plane landing. Gotta finish that off with the room tour, because this is the reason why I get runway run. Look at that. You sort of hear them. You sort of hear them, don't you? That's why it's nothing peaceful and quiet. You got here, you can see them rolling out right far. Wow. That's perfect. Heathrow Tower. Okay, enjoy it here. Gonna unpack now and rest. Have the nice rest and have my sandwich that I put in there. And just chill for a few hours. That's what I'm going to do. Oh yes, enjoy it. Get the camera out and start taking pictures. So bye everybody. Hope you enjoyed this room tour. Feel free to and give the more checks on room touring. I watch channels like Wolverine Tim and Is it Oscar and Dan? Yeah, Oscar and Dan do the vlogs, hotel vlogs as well. Watch them as well. I think it's non-stop Dan, but it's Oscar and Dan with the hotel review. Like I watched many hotel vloggers. Walking the Kids really good as well. How are your thoughts on it? It's just amazing. Just do that. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna unpack and relax. Bye for now. Ciao. That's good. Yeah, now it's open, so I didn't realise that. Because I saw a video when I got back last year and I was thinking, oh, I didn't know it opens. These windows actually open, but not the outside ones, of course. I got that one ready. This one's my little truck will just go there. That's perfect. There, I've unpacked now. I've got the camera there, my foxies. Hi guys, we're here. We're going to the Residence Hotel. Yay, we're on the 3rd floor. We've got a lounge deck. We haven't got a lounge deck. But this one I do next year, so that's gonna good. Got all my stuff out. Biscuits, that's very important. And got all my clothes out. My shorts. This little karaoke tonight. That's not like lots of this. I forgot to mention, that's Grady on point, isn't it? That's good, isn't it? Oops, my coat keeps falling off. I'll go put it back on there. I don't need that coat really, but sort that out in a second. That's good. Wow. This is perfect. Now, I just relax now. Yay.